How to delete parental controls on Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I will guide you to delete parental controls on Android. Without further ado, let's get started. So, first of all, you need to open Google Play Store on your device. Now proceed by tapping profile icon at top right corner. A menu appears and choose settings. Now expand family section and you need to tap on parental controls. Suppose if your parental controls are on, you simply need to toggle off the button for parental controls. You will be asked to enter content pin. You simply need to confirm it and then toggle it off. And with that, you need to go back and you can see that the parental controls has been turned off. And that's it. Parental controls have been now disabled. So I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like, share and comment.